Hello? All right, Arbet. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy. En ik maak video's, gaming videos, mostly of Yiddish. If I'm fang to in the hunting video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Was helpt me on the channel out tremendously. Really do appreciate you all. En ook dat je kan hitten the link. Dat je koopt aan zaken bij Amazon. And you don't mind hitting that link. That's just actually koop an item. For the next 24 hours, whatever you buy. But give me a small percentage. So yeah. Yossi. Hello Yossi, hello and welcome. Ik ga getracht van maar za Game 2. En dan gaat maar za stikkel snelle game. Parapapa. Yossi, wie ze geween aan het ook? Gaf ze geween een plug. Gotta get this. Oh. Oh, slashing from their team. I really like your gaming. Nice, thank you. I appreciate the love. Appreciate the love. Dat doe ik echt TS anyways. Do dart. So might as well be live, you know? Nice. Okay, I like to hear that. How about me? My day was alright. My day was good. The live ik ben alright. The mood, maar uitgegangen van mijn 5-6 mile walk. Ik heb getroffen met een mens op de bike path. Hij is 80 years old. Hij biked schon 30 jaar. En nu hebben we gezien de geider van bij David, bij Soifer, ik weet voor Mansi. Dan kwamen met 100 kinderen met bikes. Biking the trail. It was very nice. Actually, stark enjoyed te zijn. So toos ik van 11 uur oud bis like 14. It was very, very nice. We're going to the military base. Or would we then going to the military base? Number one, you want to go to the military base?
Yeah,
I wish my father took us biking. Yeah. Oder andere Sachen. Is ik geen van, ik ga niet meer aan het break van liken statuses, but ik wil liken aan status wie. Ik heb het gevoeld wie keine van die kinderen gaan opvoeren, ze gaan dus weer gooien. Ja. Eerste mal gaat het, dan zijn we in elkaar. Very interesting. En zitten we alle in elkaar. Ik heb hem gebiked 7 maal, meine ich. Oder 7 maal een Weg oder 4 maal, I'm not sure. Es sind Kinder, die sind gewesen gehargert. Ich habe gesehen, die Wege sind biken. Okay, we're going to go around to the warehouses. In dus was Kinder darfen tun, sich auszugeben. Isn't that one of the blessings from Zana Kind? All right. Let's go. Darf treff my gun. Can I survive doing him on a gun? Yup. Whoa. Get my enemies. Okay. Whew. Oh, geschossen. Oh, right there is a mensch.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
See far in the Khanishkan.
Mark the location. Watch out!
Watch out.
Homie. Oh.
Help!
Give me.
Khanishkan aan wem ik speel. Once a year was enough in our opinion.
不是，他跑过去，然后又
Watch out! Watch out!
Okay, I'm gonna watch out. I cannot watch out like that.
Watch out!
Jeez, Louise, ga maar gebeugen. Oh. Okay, we got him. Mostly not affiliated. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Ga nicht gerne kicken auf jede, der kommt heran, so ob ich verpasse einem. Okay. Ja. They gone. Stop.
Awesome. I got supplies.
She got supplies.
Oh, Freya!
Hold on, couldn't this darf ich changen zu dem und das herauswerfen? Na, ich darf ein besseres Scope. Ich kann nicht lieb kein 762. 762 bei mir. They seem the bots. Got it. Of I'm the 556. Okay. Oh damn. Viggy.
Awesome.
Viggy. Noch kann ich geben dem Gun a chance. So.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Oh, jetzt fangst du an zu schießen?
Watch out!
Woo!
Watch out!
Davor picken 556. Gotta get some 556. Hofft sie sagen. Lass mich es aufheben. Kann man. Oh, okay, give me some 556. Okay, got it. Changing to them. Wenn man läuft mit derselben Gruppe, kann man das auch nur nicht in der Chilik. Sind wir 1300 Meters weg von der Zone.
Mark the vehicle.
Mark the vehicle. So yeah, it was a very interesting day, sa Yossi, för att långa twisted den för. Are you? They're literally leaving me here. There's a guy in the other direction.
Mark the vehicle.
Aren't they nice people? They're American. Oh, je hebt ze doen veel met vehicles. Wij zijn maar daar van vehicle en is door. Ah, okay. Spielst mit mir die Games. Okay, dann gaan we de Wilm Gold rijden zusammen, okay. Ah, 2 voet straight eraan en bij me. Got it. What are you doing? Seriously, a neighbor. Sincerely. Oh, 32, can't quite map us. Nice. Ooh. Okay, so you can do this with 30. Can't shut off like anywhere, so without changing guns, okay. Without changing gear. The bike changes can gear. That's an oil change. Had hebben getroffen op de bike path, een ältere mens, 80 years old. En I decided to ride off naar mijn camera. In order unhalb mit dem Schmies. Ich habe gerade also 25-minute Schmies, wo es seine Kinder spätere Jahren, noch sind 120, hat man das einmal releasen. Very nice Schmies. Er geht mit seiner Einiglich, mit seinen Kindern. Er hat ein Flipphone, er war mit seiner Einiglich. Wie cool. Man, ihr Einiglich. Sein erster war bis immer weg. Ich habe es nicht noch einmal. It was just cute. It was cute, said man. I tell you. Okay. Oh, er fuhrt das Stammer so noch, huh? Whoop. Nope. This is bleiben for action. Okay. Okay.
Watch out! Watch out!
Okay, let's go. Boom, he didn't even stand a chance. Oh, I meinte das ein Mensch. So noch still, du, all of a sudden. Pow, pow, Menschen. Well, how about times 8? Ich habe mich übergelassen. Ach, jetzt bin also. Wie lasst ihr mir rüber da? All alone. Oh. Times 4. I'm gonna look like do it. Times 4. Jetzt mostly. Jetzt habe ich der Bike macht sehr das auch Noise. Okay. That was a weird exit, I tell you.
Marked a vehicle. Help!
Oh, jetzt darf man sehr help, huh? Whoop.
What the
Gali, Mali, Gali. Ich kann mich geschehen, so. Wow, 1 and 2. Don't go there. Don't go too close. Don't go too close. Let's take them off. They're obviously good. Alright, they're obviously good. But don't go. Don't go too close. Maar dat is de wand. There's other people here.
Marked a location. Marked a location. Marked a vehicle. Watch out! Watch out!
Up. There's someone here.
I got supplies.
Okay, do you see the box? Don't go close. Why would you go close? Somebody's most probably sniping it. Park that off the bark. Shoot it. One second. Ik heb me schon aufgepickt alles. Okay. Whoa, schnitzelberger. There's some expensive bullets. Gotta watch what I'm doing. Gotta watch what I'm doing. Don't go into the town. Why would you go into the town? See? Told you. The hell are you going? Into the town. There's someone here. There's someone there. Boom. Family B, how you doing? Okay, number 9. Okay, I made it up to the top 1%. Top 10. We'll work with that. Family B, how are you? How's it going? How's your day? How was you? Eight eliminations, 2 assists. Hoeveel heb je? 4 eliminations. Is this a free game? I mean, free is kost dus geen geld, aber you're gonna waste a lot of hours. The game is zeer addictive. Very, very addictive. We kennen deze spielen van shows. We feel nicht gar nicht. Ich spiele D-board, noch D-board bin ich out. I just gotta watch. Nicht zu werden noch einmal addicted. If you know what I'm saying. The addiction is real. The addiction is real. Can you send me a link? Ga je zitten aan Play Store. Schrijf er aan PUBG. Ik weet niet of je me schikt dat link. PUBG. Some people like Call of Duty, man. Familie gaat best lieber PUBG. Ik speel op een tablet. Of whoop. Para Hashem, Hashem Melekaini, Emo Babani, para Papa. Okay. We are in it to win it. Let's go. Oh, er zijn nu andere mensen. Some people weten exactly wie snel me kan landen. Hier ben ik als snelle lander. Oh my god. Come on. Okay, couldn't get my epics. Ik ga hem nu om de okay, back. Okay. Got a view. We're getting some stuff. Oh shit. Come on. Number 2. Number 1. Come over here.
Awesome.
Number 1. Number 2. Where are you going? Someone? Nobody? We can spelen op de phone. Ah, Schnitzelburger.
Help!
Okay, just for the sake of time. Lass mal sehen, wie viel ich verloren. Zero points, okay. Why don't I play... Chaim. Hello and welcome. How was your day? Ich weiß nicht, ich habe keinen nicht aufgepickt Call of Duty. To be honest. Honestly, the graphics. I don't like the graphics. Rapadibidibi-pam-pam. You get what I'm saying? I don't like the graphics of it. Oder weiß ich nicht, ich spiele the richtige one oder nicht. To be honest. Das ist nicht für jedem. Das ist absolut nicht für jedem.
I won my last match.
Der Game ist schwerer in the beginning. Ich habe es gespielt als 8 Jahre. Ich meine, it's not something to brag about, to be honest. If you know what I mean. Okay, this is on the letzte board. Ich hoffe nicht, ich gehargert werden right away. And, I mean, to get used to it. Ich hatte sagen, ich habe gespielt, ich habe Call of Duty, ich habe gespielt a couple of times, und sie tun certain Sachen, was I'm not a fan of, weil sie nicht so in real life, if you get what I'm saying. In real life hast du nicht kein automatic gun pointer zu der Body. Aimst nicht, bist du nicht, gewinnst du nicht. Was it hard for you at first? Ich habe a natural knack echt for the game. Days and driving games, I just have it a bit anders wie, I would say, most. So, but I can say it's a learning curve, you know. These things are not easy. Okay, land mit, wie man braucht nicht. Okay. Kann ich treffen mal gun. Come on, give me a fighting chance here. Schön und bombardieren, du Wiese. Hier noch ein bisschen einen. Sounds like zijn is up there. Wie is dat zo? Let's go. Laten we er maar down maken.
Mark the location.
So, du hast einen natural knack für die Sachen. It's a bit easier. Ich spiele auf dem iPad. Ich vielleicht spiele das auf meinem Phone. To be honest. Oh, hat sich behalten, du. Geh mal her, du. Okay. Well, that was a mistake. Okay, I'll take more of that, sir. I need a scope. Whoa. Want ze er schon auf dem Floor. Is echt nicht du, was sich so tun. Number 4 darf man help. Lass mal reingehen. Hold on, nog zijn mijn help door. Cancel.
I got supplies.
Whoop, jeez Louise, gedrukt daarom, hoor. Oh, wie das? Come here. Come here. Cause I leave them gun. Whoop. Tididadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadad. Okay. 22. Darf nog treffen op $1. Darf 30 en dan ben ik maar achter. Ze doen mensen, we spelen met alle 10 vingers. Ich kenne es, ich speel met thumbs. $25. That's nog $5. I need $5. $5 to get it times 8. Maar dat you can do $5. Okay, some beer.
I got supplies.
Ooh, yeah, that I get it, but I don't like that. I just need $5.
I got supplies.
26. I need $4.
I got supplies.
I need $4. Anybody got $4?
I got supplies.
No, I need $4. Wie is het? Got him.
Form up on me.
I need $3. Anybody got $3? $3, anybody? Can I get $3, please? You can just put it down. You don't have to come. Is this close? No? Oh. Thank you. Nope. Where is it? Yep, right there.
I need a mag.
Go get one. Okay, let me get this one. Okay. We are in business. We are in business. Number one wanted to be on him. Where is number one? Where is number one? He's by the store. Let's hit the floor. That would be the car. Oh, there's someone there. I think so.
Marked a location.
Number one, watch out. Als ik gabbenkje doe, hebben ze hit the like button. It goes a long way. Oh, number 3. Scared the schnitzel back out of me.
Marked a vehicle.
In case you guys need the vehicle.
I got supplies.
Simcha Raz, how you doing? How was my day? My day was very well. I'm playing a game, so that should show you. It was alright. How was yours? It was better than a ride. It was good, actually, to be honest. Wow, du gaan oilem. There was an oilem here. So far, I keep missing the fight. Oh. How was your day, Simcha? Lios besimcha, lios. De dag is met de zones. The second you best out van a zone. You playing catch up, best die done. That's why I never play around with the zone. I try not to. Whoop whoop. This guy got his license from Walmart. Joking, I'm joking. He's driving amazingly. He's the best driver. Deze al Trump gezocht. Leo is best. Teach how to drive. Die Sache ist nur, man verkickt sich und du keine Konsequenzen, man hackt daran in einen Bäum. Sie wollten gedacht machen, die hackst daran in einen Bäum, wie der Kar in upper table. Was war's doch? Wat mich nicht gecallt, fragen zu designen the game. Oh, don't go close. Somebody's sniping this. This what you doing?
Marked a location.
All right. 762. I don't like it. Get in. Why are you taking your sweet Jesus time? Leo is besimcha. Pow down down. Da 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 da. Okay, and they're in the center though, from the zone. Let's go investigate. Close all the doors. That's one of the tricks. You don't keep doors open. Let's have a looky. We'll eat a cookie. I should really call Shooky. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum-ba-da-bum. Ooh, people might come out. No, we can park the car in the driveway. Hey, hey, hey. He said no away. Okay. I'm hier gewoon een shipper gelast. I see what's happening. I see what's happening. Okay. Die hebben gelost treasures. Wa. Hello and welcome, Wa. How are you doing? Ga jij Jom? Huh?
Enemies ahead.
Where? Let's get the enemies. Oh, saw that guy. What it looked like I saw the guy. Right there. He's right there. Oh, so loud. Bro, this looks like a... I was firing right on him. And now... Oh. There's a delay or something? Must be something. Must be something. Got you. Got you. Got you.
Awesome. Excellent work. Thanks.
Thanks. If anybody sees anything, let me know who. Whoa. Okay. Hold on. Wait a minute. There's something. Who was fighting? Somebody wants to buy a flare or something? Shh, 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 shh. He's making the noise.
Marked a location.
Somebody's coming. Somebody's coming. Stop honking. Thank you.
Marked a vehicle.
Stop being stupid. Stop being stupid. You go. Whew. This was some moves. Oh, Schnitzelberger. Okay, let's go. That was good.
Victory belongs to us.
Whew. 13 kills. Headshot. Headshot. Ich kenne nicht echt aus mit den Pieces, but as you play it, you start realizing what it is. You can Google search and go one more game. Dat was aan live 8 Zeiger. So in Ibik fühlt man also wie man will einfach noch ein Game. So I'm gonna have to cut it here. Gleib mir, dass ich will. Gleib mir the addiction, du. Chaim, gleib mir. From all the people, really. We'll know then. Okay, number 1. 39 points. We'll know then, wer ist der Leaderboard? Okay, ich kann nicht bekommen der MVP. 13 Kills, 3 Assists. Ich habe 13 Kills mit 1 Assist. I see. Okay. Alright, Gevre. It has been a pleasure. Ich darf gaan 8 Zeiger live. So... Yeah. The addiction is real. But I want to be here 8 o'clock. So, 8 Zeiger live. I'll talk to you all later. Thank you all for joining. Peace and love.